Hey everyone, welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about top-down analysis. I probably should have done this first, but I felt like it'd be best to do this like a little later, which what I'm doing, because I wanted to show you how you can use everything I taught you and how I'm going to use it to tie everything together. So top-down analysis, I'm going to pretend this is, I'm basically doing my top-down analysis early because this is a Friday before I usually do them on Sunday, Monday, whatever. So this is how I do it, and this is what I recommend. So weekly here. Okay, we just ran this external range liquidity right here. Just pay attention to like what I'm doing. So external range liquidity. I don't know why this is marked off. Notice it has nothing on my chart. It won't be much more. Okay, so I'm gonna look for price to come into here. Why? This is internal range liquidity, right? I'll mark off this fair value gap too. I would normally do it until price shows willingness to go lower first, because this could be a little bit premature. I'm basically just marking off PD arrays, right? So fair value gaps, hold highs, hold lows. That's pretty much it. The 4 hour, I'm not going to pay attention to it yet since it is a Friday. Yeah, so that's top-down analysis right there for NQ. Let me do ES real quick. Weekly. We took this high right here. I usually mark off like the high that it ran, like the external high for like another week, just to kind of show me that like how far away or not how far away we are. So I'll mark off this. It's going to be the same as in Cube because it's indices. Pretty much. Bissy here, Bissy there. Technically, got a little breaker here action. Move up, right? Before the move down, it takes this liquidity. I'll keep it on here just for now. And then what I'll do is for top down analysis, I really don't go past the 4 hour, and then I usually do a top down analysis on Sunday, Monday before the market opens or around like when the market opens. So I'm not marking off. I'm not gonna trade till like another 12 hours later anyway. So I'm not gonna bother marking off like 4 hour PD arrays or hourly PD arrays. Right? I'll look at those when I get close to like the market open. So that would be ES. That would be NQ. Now let's see if we can find something. Let me do dollar real quick. Oop, forgot to do this. So weekly here. So we closed off this gap here. So now this is the inverse gap. Inverse fair value gap. Price respected it. This would be external range liquidity. This would be our drawn liquidity, buy side liquidity, whatever you want to call it. I'll drop down to a daily now. It's about all I see. Okay, got a fair value gap right here. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Like I say, I'm not gonna look at the hourly chart. Let's look at oil real quick. Great. This is a horrible chart, so you guys will, you guys are gonna learn on this one. Okay. So weekly chart here. I don't really see a whole lot of like. I don't see any sort of PD arrays here, so I'm just gonna look at the daily. Notice we got this fair value gap right here in the form of a SIBI, so I'll mark that off. I'll also mark off this high right here because we ran this high, so it looks like price did a little external range inside of an internal range, so this is what you call an inducement. So price induced this high, and now it should have run lower. Daily doesn't look too bad. The weekly looked horrible. Man, that was horrible. So this would be my draw on liquidity. I'll frame shorts on the hourly to M5 market maker sell model. For that, that's pretty much it. If price closes above here, I'll look for longs up to here, you know. But for right now, that's what I got. That's the hourly. Put this back to the hourly now. Let's do gold. Weekly chart. What is this? All right, so we got weekly FEG right here. I'll use that. Now this is the weekly chart, so I'm not gonna bother marking off this one down here because we already moved away from it. Create another impulse high, impulse low, impulse high. Jump down to a daily. I don't. If you guys are probably asking, do you use like discount? I don't really use discount a whole lot. I mean, you could use it right here. I don't even think I have a fib for it. Oh, I do. Yeah. So technically, this would be discount. I don't need to mark it off because like I know it's in discount of this range. In this range, however, it's obviously in premium. So my eyes can't tell what's to wear on that, but I'll put it right here. So we're in discount or equilibrium. Oops. So I got a weekly BISI here. All right. Okay. Now this is the hourly chart on that, so I'll just kind of take a peek at it real quick. Okay, we're still respecting bullish order flow. Probably gonna see like a little stop run here and then go higher, if I were to guess. But keep that on the hourly chart, keep that on the daily. This one, the daily. So I'm getting my time frame alignment, right? Got the daily right here, got the hourly. So let's just say Monday morning, right? I'm looking for shorts, or Tuesday morning. And then I'll wait for this low to get ran. I'll drop to M5 once that low is run, and then I'll look for a move higher from there. Okay, pretty simple. All right, that's pretty much it when it comes to top-down analysis. I think the best way for me to teach you about top-down analysis, how to do it, is for me to show you how I do it, right? If we go back and look at these charts, like there's like 3 PD arrays on here. This buy-side liquidity, this fair value gap right here, this fair value gap right here, and then the same for ES, and then for dollar, there's a couple more, like 3. I like to keep recently violated PD arrays on there. So like this FEG right here, this weekly. This was a SIBI at one point, and then price closed above it, and then retested. Kind of helps me just like picture, okay, price is still bullish or bearish, right? It's disrespected a couple of fair value gaps to the upside, to the downside, I'm sorry, so I can still look for long. So just keep them on there if you need to. But ES and then Q, there was not any of that. So I guess you could put one here if you wanted to. But yeah, just keep it simple, stupid when it comes to top-down analysis. I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah, that's pretty much all the pairs I do. And like I say, if you guys have any questions about any of my videos that I've done so far, you can just join my Discord. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can just ask me a question in there. You can at me. But for now, I'll see you guys back here on the next one.